Welcome back, everyone. I am joined right now by 𝗬𝗲𝗀𝗀, who's a developer advocate and support engineer for the LEADTOOLS SDK. How you doing?
Doing great. How are you, Leslie?
I am doing fabulous. Getting kind of tired. We're like midway through build day one.
Exactly.
So been very exciting, which makes me very tired. So
I hear you.
Yep. So what are you going to be talking about today in the LEADTOOLS SDK space?
So I'm really just going to give you an overview, kind of walk through our technologies, what we offer, show you guys a brief glimpse at the demo that we're going to go into more tomorrow. That's about it. But this is actually my second build conference, but it's my first time being up on the stage and being a speaker. So super excited to be here and get to share some of the awesome ways that our SDKs enable and enhance intelligent document processing.
Sweet. What a way to level up on build trip number 2.
Exactly.
Cool. So can you tell us a little bit about the SDK, where LEADTOOLS came from, and how it stands out amongst its peers?
Absolutely. So we're actually based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. So we've been around for 34 years. The original idea for the SDK actually started with a patent for an image compression algorithm in 1991. So since then, we've been improving and expanding to get where we are today of being a world leader in image, document recognition, multimedia, and medical SDKs.
Awesome. Cool. So what are some of the unique parts of LEADTOOLS? Like, why should somebody consider choosing LEADTOOLS over another kind of SDK like that?
So a big point that I like to make is most of the technologies offered nowadays are cloud focused. We sell libraries, so we sell DLLs, which means we don't require an internet connection, we don't require any cloud connectivity. Super important for banking and medical industries to protect their customer and their patient data. So I think that's one of the biggest things that sets us apart is that ability to not require the cloud.
Right. Like the cloud is cool, but yeah, for not every scenario benefits from the cloud sometimes. So it's cool that you're leading in that department.
Exactly.
Sweet. So it sounds like you offer a lot of different components and features. So can you explain a little bit more about some of the highlights?
Absolutely. So we're actually on our website here. This is just the main page, leadtools.com. If anybody's interested, feel free to check it out. But under here on the Technologies tab, you can really see that we cover a whole lot of features. It's a very broad SDK. It's hard to find some things sometimes, so I describe it as being like a needle in a haystack, but we cover everything from document image processing to optical and intelligent character recognition, as well as forms recognition, and we can read and write barcodes, we can scan invoices, passports, IDs, business cards, that kind of thing. We also have a full multimedia suite for playback, capture, and conversion controls, as well as a medical suite for viewing your x-rays, MRIs, all that type of patient data. So a lot of really cool stuff. And from there, I think where I come in is I'm on our support team, so I kind of help develop alongside the customers that are using our SDK. So I'm there to help them, explain how to use it, to find documentation resources. Like I said, that needle in the haystack feeling is really where I come in, and I help make that a little less stressful for our customers.
Sweet. So I know you said tomorrow you're going to be doing a longer demo session, but can you tease a little bit of what people can check out tomorrow?
Absolutely. Cool. So we'll go ahead and open up our document viewer demo here if we give it a second to load, barring any technical difficulties. So this is our JavaScript document viewer. We're going to just do a quick workflow here and open up a portfolio statement. So we can see here now that this is open, this has all kinds of fake juicy information on it. So we've got dollar amounts, account numbers, social security numbers, all type of data that we don't really want to get out in the world. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the LEADTOOLS document analyzer, and we're going to apply a rule set. And what we're going to do is say we want to look for all of that PII, find it, and redact it. So when we hit apply and commit here, under the hood, that document analyzer control is actually using machine learning and regular expressions and pattern matching to find all that sensitive data that we were talking about. And then you'll see here our final document comes out perfectly redacted and ready to go wherever it needs to go next in its workflow.
That's awesome.
But yeah, just a little teaser.
That's great. I could use that personally. I just had to do some redacting in a statement I was sharing with somebody.
Gotcha. Yeah.
So that's great. Sorry, Billy Bob. Cool. So since you talk with customers, you probably have talked with a lot of them about some of their current frustrations and how to make things better. So what's up next?
I think the biggest thing is, bridging the gap between the technology and the end user. So that's kind of, like I said, my personal goal is to make that developer experience as streamlined and painless as possible. So I think continuing to move forward, create great technologies, give them to our customers, and have somebody that can show you how to use it.
Great. Well, Tommy, thank you so much. And drop by your booth, definitely.
FP53.
Perfect.
And see you guys tomorrow for a demo.
Cool. Thanks, y'all.